Today is January 11th, 2022, and we're gonna be testing doing some work that wasn't recommended by anybody, which means we will be putting the cut off piece of slab back into the spot and see is it possible to make it work. In my project in Myrtle Beach, we were running PVC pipes from gas heater to pool lines and had to go underneath the slab on the back of the house, which was a little path walk. Instead of crashing it with some hammer, I decided to do experiment and cut precisely a piece of slab in hopes of putting it back. I had a plan how to do it. We rented big skill saw and did nice straight cuts to save the piece of slab so we can put it back. Now to execution of experiment. After installation of gas heater and running pipes underground how we planned, we could work our way on putting slab back. We had to clear up space to have little extra so we could put all our layers before setting the slab. Regular polyurethane plastic sheet went over the pipes. Next layer was regular all-purpose gravel that had to create protection level from a 4-layer of concrete that we're gonna pour next. The plan was to create thin layer of concrete bed that we can set our cutout slab on. We used regular concrete mix as the bottom layer. Also, I used cement patcher to put on the edges of existing slabs of walkway. When our so-called concrete bed was ready, we just put the cutout slab back to the spot. And I leveled it slightly, pushing it down. Obviously there was gaps between the slab and walkway that I filled up nicely with the same fine mix of cement patcher. This is how the work looked like after we finished it. Today is March 27, which is 2.5 months after experimental project was done, and as you can see, it doesn't appear out of proportions or too odd. And it's very sturdy. Another successful project is in the books.